Welcome back to the show. Today's topic is going to stretch our imagination. We're discussing something that seems almost impossible, how our thoughts and actions can actually move the Earth, and even the entire solar system. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it?
Absolutely, but it's all rooted in something much deeper. Have you ever thought about how our inner states could influence the world around us? I mean, we talk a lot about energy and how everything is interconnected, but could our thoughts really shift the course of nature?
It's a mind-boggling idea, but when we think about how everything in the universe is connected, it kind of makes sense. For example, when we're in a moment of crisis or extreme emotional turmoil, the world seems to mirror that in some way. Natural disasters, environmental shifts. Could it be that our hearts, our minds, are in some ways linked to these changes?
That's the interesting part. It's not just about the physical events we see happening on Earth, like earthquakes or storms. It's about the subtle forces at play. The concept of the Earth itself moving, shifting its axis, and the impact that has on everything around us. If our thoughts can influence the Earth, then could they also influence the entire solar system?
It's wild to think about. But when you really look at it, there are certain places on Earth that are considered more stable, more aligned with the natural flow. For instance, Korea, where you're from, is considered one of the safest places on Earth. It's like a root, right? The stability of the Earth in that area could act as a sort of anchor.
Exactly. The land itself, the energy of the people living there, it's as if they hold the key to keeping things in balance. And that's where it gets even more fascinating. If we're talking about the root of a tree, in this case, Korea would be the root of humanity. It's where things begin, where the foundation is strong. And this isn't just a spiritual idea. It's linked to the physical and natural world.
So, if the people are the root, the surrounding regions are like the branches and body of this grand tree. That means the strength of the root depends on how those connected to it think and act, right? It's all about maintaining harmony.
Absolutely. And that's the challenge we face today. As people, we've been given the knowledge to understand this interconnectedness, but we often forget or misuse that power. When people fail to realize how crucial their role is in this cosmic system, it leads to imbalance. But the truth is, it's not too late. The time has come for us to understand our role and act on it.
And that's what the message here is all about. Understanding that the root, the foundation, is not just something to take for granted. We have to nurture it, protect it, and lead by example. It's not just about the past or the present. It's about setting the right intentions for the future.
Exactly. And when we think about the future, we also need to consider how we can use the knowledge we've gained, not for personal gain, but for the benefit of everyone. Knowledge should be shared, used to improve the world, not hoarded for oneself. That's when true wisdom opens up, and the real change can begin.
That's the power of wisdom, isn't it? When it's used not just for personal benefit, but for the greater good of all humanity. And when that happens, things start to shift, not just in the physical world, but in the collective consciousness as well.
So as we wrap up, the key takeaway here is that we are all connected. Our thoughts, our actions, and our very essence shape the world we live in. And while it might seem like we're powerless at times, we hold the key to the future. The Earth moves when we move, and the universe follows our lead.
Right. And with that in mind, let's ask ourselves, what can we do today to start making those positive changes? Whether it's within our community, our country, or on a global scale, it all starts with us. It's time to take responsibility for the role we play in shaping the future.
Absolutely. The journey begins with each of us, and the ripples we create can lead to something much bigger than we ever imagined. Let's get to work.